Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by assessing symptoms and instantly unloading the tendon so it can calm down. Check for focal pain below the kneecap and note aggravating activities. Once done, stop all jumping and sprinting to remove the primary stressor. Make sure to apply ice for 10 to 15 minutes every 2-3 hours and consider short-term anti-inflammatory measures if appropriate. You want pain reduced enough to start controlled loading. This step preserves tissue while preventing deconditioning and avoids chronic degeneration. You now move into a structured rehab plan focused on tendon adaptation and symptom control. Begin with isometric holds to reduce pain and provide neuromuscular control. Perform 5 45-second efforts at a tolerable intensity. Once isometrics are stable, progress to slow eccentric-loaded exercises like decline squats for tendon remodeling, doing controlled reps and monitoring pain. Additionally, integrate hip, glute, and calf strengthening plus core work to correct load distribution. Make sure to increase load gradually to stimulate healing without flaring symptoms. You finish by preparing a graded return to sport that prioritizes tissue capacity over time. Start with low-impact hops, then single-leg landings, and slowly reintroduce high-velocity jumps across 6 to 8 weeks. If exercises cause prolonged pain beyond 24 hours, reduce intensity or regress to earlier phases. Make sure to balance progression with recovery. If symptoms persist despite disciplined rehab, consult a physiotherapist for technique and consider advanced options like imaging or targeted interventions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.